Oh, hey guys, I'm here with my friend Niz Drake. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So today we're gonna be doing some 2-2s. It's gonna be really amazing. Let's start. Dun 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 dun. Alright, guys, we were actually silver 1, but they had a reset. It sucks. Alright. He just logged himself. Oh crap. Yeah. Oh crap. One of them is actually real good. Okay. Gotta go to have one heart. One heart. Uh we hadn't PvP'd all day and it's like what, 11? So that's pretty much our excuse right now. We hadn't PvP'd until it's 11 p.m. Holy crap. We're thinking about putting an all-nighter. Yeah. So, we're gonna begin this. Hopefully we win. Yeah. Juicy forever. Well. Oh, can't do that. Which one, left or right? You got both. Yeah. My guy's actually pretty good. He clean up. GG. Alright, 13 more matches, right? Oh yeah, guys, they should have in the video last night, but I had to go to sleep early because my mom. Well, first my computer is messed up anyways. That happened. Is that not bannable or something? Yeah, I'm gonna put lava on them. Crap. I don't know. That actually worked. And that is why. Oh no, so did mine. So that is why you don't do those stuff. Oh, this. Yeah, we were that a while ago, but not anymore. Silver one is no longer with us. It's gonna be one. Oh crap. I know saying my crap. I should have ran away except for trying to fish and rod him. You still have far distance. Lava. They're really close. They're really close. One of them is trying to shortcut you. Run, run. Alright, one of them is just both spamming. The other guy is really far away. The other guy is still, GG. Keith. Chief. So, hopefully you guys stays good. I know mine is. So is Nisrick. He's looking for some other music right now, I think. I don't know. Me and Nisrick aren't that good right at this instant, but like when we're fully warmed up, we're actually really good. Crap. Oh, he's stuck. Oh, where's the other guy? I'm Boastman. He's at 5 hearts. Oh, that was actually pretty smart right there. He's at 2.5 now. He shouldn't be able to win this. He's gonna try to run and lava bucket is. Not gonna work. So we won that. Yep. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and you know, just comment whatever. Yeah. We don't like to be toxic. I guess I would like say, L, you got an L, kid. Like, say easy. Oh, it's the same people. They still got in the same level too. Oh. My guy's about to drop. I need to stay, I say like. Alright, I popped him. Stimpy, I see. Yeah. I think that's one of his old ones. Yeah, it's the same guy. He did the same tactic. He was at 4. I don't know why he went out. He thought he could lava bucket me. That was pretty close though. I'm not. I'm still pretty good. Oh, wow. Did you? Alright, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and see y'all. Yeah, subscribe to Nisrick. His link should be in the description below, and peace.